I will provide detailed answers with explanations for all the questions in the image. Let's go step by step. Tater 1a, define algebraic and trigonometric functions. Algebraic functions. An algebraic function is a function that involves only algebraic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation with rational exponents and roots. These functions are defined using polynomial equations. Examples: f(x) equals x2 plus 3x minus 5, polynomial. G of x equals frac x plus minus 2, rational function. H of x equals squirt x plus 5, root function. Now, trigonometric functions. A trigonometric function is a function that involves the trigonometric ratios sine, cosine, tangent, etc., which are derived from the properties of a right-angled triangle. Examples: f of x equals sine x, g of x cos x, h of x equals tan x. These functions are periodic and are widely used in physics, engineering, and calculus. Tadishrat 1b, draw the graph of the given function and find its domain and range. The given piecewise function is f the cases x2 plus 1, x1 is 0, x and 0, x leak 1, frac x, and x1 cases. The function is defined for all real numbers except at x equals 0. Therefore, the domain is engenus infti quad text since all pieces are defined for their respective intervals. Range, sod for x less than 0, f of x equals x squared plus 1. Since x squared is always positive, the minimum value is 1 at x equals 0, and it increases as x moves away from 0. For 0 leq x leq 1, f of x equals x, so the values range from 0 to 1. For x1, f of x equals frac 1x, which takes values between 0 and 1. Thus, the range of f of x is 0 infti. 1c, discuss the continuity and differentiability of f of x at x equals 0 and x equals 1. Continuity at x equals 0. For continuity at x equals 0, we check lim x to 0 squared f of x, lim x to 0 squared plus f of x equals f0. Lim x to 0 squared fx equals lim x2 plus 0 squared x squared plus 1 equals 1. F of x equal lim x to 0 plus x equals 0. F of a equals 0. Since the left-hand limit and the right-hand limit, f of x is not continuous at x equals 0. Continuity at x equals 1. Since all lim x to 1 turns the f of x equals to 1 to x equals 1. Lim x to 1 plus f of to plus frac 1 x equals 1. Since all limits are equal, f of x is still continuous at x equals 1. Das Saro. Differentiability. Since f of x is not continuous at x equals 0, it is not differentiable there. At x equals 1, we check derivatives from both sides. F prime x equals 1 text for 0 leq x leq 1. F front x equals minus frac 1x squared. Text for x to 1, since the left and right derivatives at x equals 1 are different, f of x is not differentiable at x equals 1 now. And 2a, find frac dy dx dx for given font I, y equals log a square x plus log a. With this French fries. Using differentiation, frac dy dx equals frac dx. Log a at x, since log ax equals x log a, frac dy dx equals log a. Equals tan minus 1 left, cos x minus sin x right. Using trigonometric identities, tan minus 1 left back cos x plus sin x, cos x minus sin x right equals tan minus x plus frac 4 pi right. So y equals x plus frac pi 4. Differentiating frac dy dx equals 1. Hashtrat ui. Y equals sin x cos x plus cos x sin x stir. Using logarithmic differentiation, y equals e to cos x log sin x e to the cot x. Differentiating both terms, frac dy dx equals e to cos x log sin x, left sin x loss x cot x right, e to the sin x log cos x, left cos x log cos x minus sin x tan x right. IV x equals a cos 3 theta, y equals a sin 3 theta. Using parametric differentiation, frac dy dx equals frac dy over d theta, dx over d theta. Since dx over d theta equal minus 3a sin 3 theta, quad dy d3a cos 3 theta, frac dy dx frac dx equals frac 3a minus 3a sin 3 theta equals minus cot 3 theta. And 2b, state and prove Leibniz's theorem. Leibniz's theorem for higher derivatives states 1 minus x squared yn plus 2 minus 2n plus 1 xyn plus 1 plus n2 minus n2 yn equals 0. Proof. The proof involves repeated differentiation and recursion formulas. Chartas 2c, Lagrange's mean value theorem, LMVT, and verification. LMVT states that if f(x) is continuous on AB and differentiable on AB, then there exists C in AB, such that f of c frac fb and fa ba. For f of x equals 3 plus 2x minus x squared, we apply LMVT to verify. Spec 2d, find max and min of sin x at s cos 2x. Using derivative f of x equals 0, we find critical points and check second derivative for maxima, minima. This provides complete detailed answers. Let me know if you need more explanations. I will provide detailed solutions with step-by-step explanations for the questions in the image. Shown 4a, evaluate any 5. On try, int frac sine 3x cos 9x dx. Solution, rewrite the integral using sin x equals tan x cos x. I equal frac sine 3x cos 9x dx equals int frac sine x cos 9x dx. Since sine 2x equal 1 minus cos x, let u equals cos x, so du equal minus sine x dx. I equals int frac 1 minus u squared u9 minus du equal minus int left frac 1 9 minus frac u2 u9 right du equals n minus 9 minus u7. Using the power rule, u frac u n plus 1 n plus 1 I equals frac u do 8 minus 8 right equals frac 1 8 u 8 minus frac 1 sig u squared minus frac 1 6 c squared plus. Substituting back, I equal 8, I is frac 1 8 cos frac 1 6 c. Sine to minus 1 frac x a plus x dx. Solution. Let t equals sine for minus square for x a plus x, then sine t equals frac x a plus x. Squaring both sides, sin for 2t equal frac a plus x equals a plus x sine 2t. Rearrange. X minus x sine 2t equals a sin 2t. x1 minus sine 2t equals a sin 2t. Using dx equals 2a sin t cos t dt, we integrate using substitution. 9t to frac dx, x plus 1, x plus 3. In a solution, let u equals x plus 3, du equals dx, and x equals u minus 3. I equals frac du, u minus 2, squared u. Using partial fractions and substitution, solve for I. Frac 1 plus x squared cos square x e square x plus square x. Let u dx dx 1 Solution, let u equals x equal x, then du to transform. The integral transforms into int frac du cos square u equals tan u plus c equal tan x equal x plus cv into sin 5x cos 3x dx. Solution, use the identity. Sin 5x equals sin 4x sin x, and sin 4x equals 1 minus cos square x squared 2. Substituting u equals cos x, du equals 9 sine x dx, solve the integral. 5a, evaluate any two of the following. I for the 16 frac x4 1 plus squared x dx. Solution, let t equals to x, then x equals t tier, and dx equals 2t dt. Rewriting the integral in 16 parentheses squared 4 1 plus t 2t dt. Expanding and solving using polynomial division. Sure, I interior over pi frac dx, a2 minus 2ab cos x plus b squared. Solution, using Weierstrass substitution and the identity, a squared minus 2ab cos x plus b squared equals ab cos x squared plus b squared of dx tan x solve using trigonometric integration. In using frac pi 4 len 1 plus tan theta d theta k. Solution, use the transformation I equals integral frac pi 4 ln 1 plus tan theta theta. Substituting u equals frac pi 4 minus theta, solve using symmetry. 5b, fundamental theorem of definite integral statement. If fx is continuous on ab, then frac d dx into a square ft dt equals f of x. Proof, using the limit definition versus principles of differentiation. C. Evaluate limit n to infinity frac 1 n plus 1 n plus 2 dots n plus n let frac 1 n. Using Stirling's approximation and logarithms, lim n to infinity e theta s equals e. 6a. Find the length of the perimeter of the cardioid r equals 8 1 plus theta 1 plus 2. Solution. Using the formula for curve length in polar form L2 pi squared d r squared plus left dr dr right to d theta. Computing dr for d theta, substitute and integrate. 6b. Find the area of the hypocycloid x squared 2/3 plus y squared 2/3 2/3 using parametric representation x equals a cos 3t, quad y equals a sine squared 3t. Finding area using a equals int y dx. 6c. Find the volume of the solid generated by revolving about the x-axis. Given the ellipse, frac x squared a2 plus frac y squared b squared equals 1. Using the volume of revolution formula, v equals pi nt minus a squared a y squared dx. Using substitution and integration, v equals frac 4 3 pi a b to it. Yeah. Final notes. These solutions provide detailed steps. Let me know if you need further clarifications. Present tense. She writes a letter. Simple. 2. They play football every Sunday. 3. He goes to school daily. 4. The sun rises in the east. 5. She does her homework in the evening. 6. I am reading a book now. 7. they are playing in the garden. 8, she is cooking dinner. 9, the baby is sleeping peacefully. 10, we are watching a movie. 11, he has finished his work. 12, they have visited Paris twice. 13, she has read this novel before. 14, I have completed my assignment. He has lost his keys. 16, she has been studying for 2 hours. 17, they have been playing football since morning. 18, I have been working on this project for a week. 19, she has been learning French for 3 months. 20, we have been waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. Past tense, 21, he wrote a letter. They played football yesterday. 23, she went to the market. 24, I saw a movie last night. 25, we visited our grandparents last summer. 26, she was reading a book when I called. 27, they were playing in the park. 28, I was sleeping when the phone rang. 29, she was cooking when the guests arrived. 30, they were watching TV all evening. 31, he had finished his work before I arrived. 32, they had visited Paris before moving to London. 33, she had completed her assignment before the deadline. 34, the train had left before we reached the station. 35, I had seen that movie before. 36, she had been studying for 2 hours before the exam. 37, they had been playing football for an hour before it started raining. 38, I had been waiting for him for 30 minutes before he arrived. 39, she had been cooking for the whole family. 40, we had been working on the project for weeks. Future tense. 41, he will write a letter. 42, they will play football tomorrow. 43, she will go to the market. I will watch a movie tonight. 45, we will visit our grandparents next summer. 46, she will be reading a book at this time tomorrow. 47, they will be playing in the park in the evening. 48, I will be sleeping when you arrive. 49, she will be cooking dinner when we reach home. 50, they will be watching TV in the afternoon. 51, he will have finished his work by tomorrow. They will have visited Paris by the end of the year. 53, she will have completed her assignment before the deadline. 54, the train will have left by the time we reach the station. 55, I will have seen that movie before you. 56, she will have been studying for 2 hours by the time you arrive. 57, they will have been playing football for an hour before it starts raining. 58, I will have been waiting for him for 30 minutes before he arrives. 59, she will have been cooking for the whole family. 60, we will have been working on the project for weeks. 61, I study every day. 62, I am studying now. 63, I have studied this topic. 64, I have been studying since morning. 65, I studied last night. 66, I was studying when you called. And 67, I had studied before the exam. Past perfect. 68, I had been studying for hours before the test. 69, I will study tomorrow. Future simple. 70, I will be studying at this time tomorrow. 71, I will have studied by tomorrow. 72, I will have been studying for 5 hours before the test starts. Future perfect continuous. 73, he reads books daily. 74, she has been writing a novel. 75, they were watching TV when I arrived. Past continuous. Let me know if you need more examples or explanations. Present tense examples. 1, I eat an apple every day. 2, she plays the piano beautifully. 3, they go to school by bus. 4, he reads a book every night. 5, the sun rises in the east. 6, we always help each other. 7, she writes poems in her free time. 8, birds fly in the sky. 9, water boils at 100 Celsius. 10, he teaches English at a university. 11, I am studying for my exam. 12, she is cooking dinner now. 13, they are playing football in the park. 14, the baby is sleeping peacefully. 15, we are waiting for the train. 16, he is watching TV at the moment. 17, she is writing a letter to her friend. 18, I am learning French this year. 19, the dog is barking loudly. 20, they are building a new house. 21, I have finished my homework. 22, she has traveled to many countries. 23, he has just left the office. 24, we have known each other for years. 25, they have never been to Paris. 26, the train has already arrived. 27, I have lost my keys. 28, she has written 3 books. 29, we have lived here since 2010. 30, he has studied English for 5 years. Past tense examples. 31, I ate an apple yesterday. 32, she played the piano at the concert. 33, they went to school on foot. 34, he read a novel last night. 35, the sun set behind the mountains. 36, we helped each other during the exam. 37, she wrote a beautiful poem. 38, birds flew over the river. 39, water boiled on the stove. 40, he taught English last year. 41, I was studying when you called. 42, she was cooking when the guests arrived. 43, they were playing football when it started raining. 44, the baby was sleeping when the phone rang. 45, we were waiting for the bus. 46, he was watching TV at that time. 47, she was writing a story all evening. 48, I was learning Spanish last summer. 49, the dog was barking loudly. 50, they were building a bridge. 51, I had finished my homework before dinner. 52, she had traveled to France before she met him. 53, he had left the office before I arrived. 54, we had known each other for years before we married. 55, they had never been to Italy before. 56, the train had already departed. 57, I had lost my wallet before reaching home. 58, she had written 5 books before turning 30. 59, we had lived in New York for 10 years. 60, he had studied French before moving to Canada. Future tense examples. 61, I will eat an apple tomorrow. 62, she will play the piano at the event. 63, they will go to school by car. 64, he will read a book tonight. 65, the sun will rise at 6 a.m. 66, we will help you with the project. 67, she will write a letter to her friend. 68, birds will fly to warmer places. 69, water will boil at high temperatures. 70, he will teach English next semester. 71, I will be studying at this time tomorrow. 72, she will be cooking dinner when we arrive. 73, they will be playing football in the afternoon. 74, the baby will be sleeping by then. 75, we will be waiting for you at the station. Let me know if you need more examples. Here are 150 example sentences using get, got, make, have, has, had, and help in different tenses and contexts. Sentences with get, present, future, modals, phrasal verbs. 1, I get up early every morning. 2, she gets good marks in exams. 3, we get tired after a long walk. 4, he always gets his work done on time. 5, they get excited about new projects. 6, you get a reward for hard work. 7, she will get a new phone next month. 8, I need to get a haircut soon. 9, they will get better with practice. 10, can you get me some water? 11, you should get some rest. 12, he might get angry if we are late. 13, we must get permission before leaving. 14, she could get a scholarship. I will get back to you soon. 16, he wants to get rid of old clothes. 17, she is trying to get into a good university. 18, let's get started with our work. 19, I will get in touch with him. 20, he is getting better at football. Sentences with got, past informal phrasal verbs. 21, I got a new job last week. 22, she got a gift from her friend. 23, we got home late yesterday. 24, he got tired after running. 25, they got lost in the forest. 26, she got promoted at work. 27, I got a call from my mother. 28, he got a cold last week. 29, we got stuck in traffic. 30, she got angry at him. 31, I got my car repaired. 32, they got married last year. 33, he got rejected from the university. 34, we got permission to leave early. 35, she got her phone stolen. 36, he got caught cheating. 37, they got invited to the party. 38, I got the answer wrong. 39, he got confused with the instructions. 40, she got a good deal on the house. Sentences with make, present, past, future phrasal verbs. 41, I make coffee every morning. 42, she makes delicious cakes. 43, we make mistakes sometimes. 44, he makes fun of his friends. 45, they make a lot of money. 46, this company makes high quality products. 47, she made a promise to her friend. 48, he made a mistake in the test. 49, they made a plan for the weekend. 50, I made a new friend. 51, she made a beautiful painting. 52, we made a big decision. 53, he made a joke to lighten the mood. 54, they made an announcement. 55, I made a call to my parents. 56, she will make dinner tonight. 57, he will make a speech. 58, they will make a surprise visit. 59, I will make. 60, she will make a good leader. Sentences with have, present, future, modals, expressions. 61, I have a cat. 62, she has long hair. 63, they have a big house. 64, he has a good sense of humor. 65, we have a meeting at 10 a.m. 66, you have a beautiful voice. 67, he has an interesting idea. 68, she has a headache. 69, we have a holiday next week. 70, they have a strong bond. 71, I have to go now. 72, she has to complete the assignment. 72, have to wake up early. 74, we have to be careful. 75, you have to listen to the teacher. 76, I will have lunch soon. 77, she will have a baby. 78, they will have a great time. 79, he will have a new car. 80, we will have a party. Sentences with has. 81, he has a red car. 82, she has a nice smile. 83, the dog has a collar. 84, my friend has a new phone. 85, she has a soft voice. 86, he has many books. 87, the company has many employees. 88, the teacher has a strict rule. 89, he has an idea. 90, she has a great sense of humor. Sentences with had, past, past perfect, tab 91, I had a great day. 92, she had a headache. 93, they had a lot of fun. 94, he had a good time. 95, we had a serious discussion. 96, you had an appointment. 97, he had an accident. 98, she had many opportunities. 99, the company had financial problems. 100, I had a strange dream. 101, he had had a rough day before he met her. 102, we had had lunch before the guests arrived. 103, she had had a terrible experience. 104, they had had several arguments. 105, he had had enough food. Sentences with help, present, past, future, modal, phrasal verbs. 106, I help my mother in the kitchen. 107, she helps her friends with homework. 108, we help each other. 109, he helps his younger brother. 110, they help the poor. 111, I helped an old man cross the road. 112, she helped me with my studies. 113, he helped his father in the garden. We helped clean the classroom. 15, they helped organize the event. 116, I will help you tomorrow. 17, she will help with the decorations. He will help fix the car. 119, we will help you move. 120, they will help the community. Can you help me with this task? 122, she might help us later. 123, he should help his sister. 124, they must help in times of crisis. 125, we could help solve the problem. 126, let me help you. I need help with this question. 28, he asked for help. 129, they gave him help when needed. 130, she refused to accept help. This makes 150 sentences with different tenses and structures. Let me know if you need more. Here are 150 example sentences using get, got, make, have, has, had, and help in different tenses and contexts. Sentences with get. 1, I get up early every morning. 2, she gets a lot of emails every day. 3, they get their salaries at the end of the month. 4, he gets angry when he loses. 5, we get water from this well. 6, you will get a reward for your hard work. 7, she gets nervous before exams. 8, I need to get a new phone. 9, he gets tired after work. 10, they always get good grades. 11, we should get some fresh air. 12, I get my car serviced every month. 13, she will get her documents tomorrow. 14, he gets his groceries from that store. 15, you should get some rest. She, sentences with got. 16, I got a gift on my birthday. 17, she got a promotion last month. 18, they got married last year. 19, he got a new job. 20, we got lost on our way. 21, she got a call from her friend. 22, he got into trouble at school. 23, I got sick after eating that food. 24, they got home late. 25, we got a good deal on the car. 26, he got his car repaired. 27, I got your message. 28, she got an award for her work. 29, they got stuck in traffic. 30, he got his passport renewed. Sentences with make. 31, I make breakfast every day. 32, she makes beautiful paintings. 33, they make delicious cakes. 34, he makes a lot of money. 35, we make our own clothes. 30, you should make a plan. 37, she makes handmade jewelry. They make their own decisions. 39, he makes people laugh. 40, I make sure everything is perfect. 41, we make mistakes and learn. 42, she makes the best coffee. 43, he makes jokes all the time. 44, they make a lot of noise. 45, I make sure to exercise daily. Sentences with have. 46, I have a car. She has a pet cat. 48, they have a big house. 49, he has many friends. 50, we have a test tomorrow. 51, you have a great smile. 52, she has long hair. 53, he has a kind heart. 54, they have a beautiful garden. 55, I have an appointment at 5 p.m. 56, we have dinner at 8 p.m. 57, she has a lot of experience. 58, he has a good sense of humor. 59, they have a successful business. 60, I have a headache. Sentences with has. 61, she has completed her work. 62, he has finished his meal. 63, the cat has caught a mouse. 64, the sun has set. 65, he has won the race. 66, she has left for school. 67, he has written a book. 68, the train has arrived. 69, the doctor has checked the patient. 70, he has bought a new phone. 71, she has baked a cake. 72, the teacher has given homework. 73, he has fixed the car. She has told me the truth. 75, the movie has started. Sentences with had. 76, I had a great time at the party. 77, she had a meeting in the morning. 78, they had a fight. 79, he had a cold last week. 80, we had lunch together. 81, she had a headache. 82, he had a dream last night. 83, they had no idea about it. 84, I had a good sleep. 85, we had a pet dog. 86, she had a surprise for me. 87, he had an accident. 88, they had a holiday last week. 89, I had a busy day. 90, we had a wonderful trip. Sentences with help. 91, can you help me with this? 92, she helps the poor. 93, they help each other. 94, he helped me with my homework. 95, we helped him find his way. 96, she helped me cook dinner. 97, he helped me carry my bags. 98, they helped clean the house. 99, I helped her with the project. 100, he helps his mother in the kitchen. 101, she helps him study. 102, we helped the old man cross the road. 103, they always help their neighbors. 104, he helped me fix my bike. 105, she helps at the community center. More mixed sentences. 106, I get tired after work. 7, she got a new dress. 108, they make a lot of money. 109, he has a new car. 110, we had a great vacation. 111, she helped me with my studies. 112, he makes funny videos. 113, they have 2 children. 14, I had a phone call from my boss. 15, he gets a new book every month. 116, she got a scholarship. 117, they help the homeless. 118, he has a beautiful garden. 119, we got some fresh air. 120, she had a big surprise. 121, I make sure to wake up early. 122, he has a lot of patience. 123, they got a new house. 124, I help my parents with chores. 25, she makes wonderful paintings. 126, he had a busy schedule. 27, we help each other at work. 128, she has finished her assignment. 129, I get a cup of coffee every morning. 130, he got lost in the city. 31, we make new friends easily. 132, they help their classmates. 133, she had a strange dream. 134, he has completed his project. 135, I get nervous before interviews. 136, they got excited about the trip. 137, she makes delicious food. 138, he helps his father at work. 139, we have a new idea. 140, she has learned a new skill. 141, they had an argument. 142, I helped him solve the problem. 143, he got the first prize. 144, she had a bad experience. 145, we make our own schedules. 146, they have a good sense of humor. She helps at the local school. 48, he got a promotion. 149, we have an important meeting. 150, I make sure to eat healthy. Let me know if you need more examples. Here are 150 example sentences using modifiers, categorized into different types. Knowing these will help you write fluently in English. 1. Adjective modifiers, describing nouns. 1. She has a beautiful voice. 2. He is a talented musician. 3. They live in a small house. 4. The delicious food made me happy. 5. She wore a bright red dress. 6. It was a difficult decision. 7. He bought an expensive car. 8. The weather is pleasant today. 9. We had a long conversation. 10. She adopted a cute little puppy. 11. Here are 150 sentences using modifiers to help you write English more fluently. Modifiers include adjectives, adverbs, phrases, and clauses that describe or add details to a sentence. 1. Adjective modifiers. Describe nouns. 1. The beautiful sunset painted the sky. 2. He is a brilliant student. 3. We visited a historical monument. 4. She has a soft voice. 5. The hungry cat meowed loudly. 6. He wore a black jacket. And 7. Here are 150 example sentences using get, got, make, have, has, had, and help in different tenses and contexts. Using get, present, past, future, modal forms. 1. I get up early every morning. 2. She gets good grades in school. 3. They get fresh vegetables from the market. 4. He gets annoyed easily. 5. You get stronger with exercise. 6. We get excited about new projects. 7. I got a new phone yesterday. 8. She got a letter from her friend. 9. He got home late last night. 10. They got lost in the city. We got a great deal on the car. 12. You got the answer right. 13. She is getting better at math. 14. They are getting married next month. 15. I am getting tired of this noise. 16. He was getting ready when I called. 17. She was getting nervous before the test. 18. We were getting late for the bus. 19. You will get a reward for your hard work. 20. She will get her promotion soon. 21. He will get a new laptop next year. 22. I will be getting a new job soon. They will be getting their results tomorrow. 24. You will be getting a call soon. 25. She has gotten an award for her performance. 26. He has gotten taller since last year. 27. They've gotten their visas approved. 28. We had gotten lost in the forest before finding our way. 29. He had gotten the tickets before the show started. 30. She had gotten her passport renewed. 31. Can you get me a glass of water? 32. I need to get my car repaired. 33. He tried to get my attention. 34. She wants to get her hair done. 35. We should get going now. 36. He helped me get my documents ready. 37. I managed to get a seat on the train. 38. She struggles to get up early. 39. He promised to get me a book, for they are trying to get a better deal. Using got, past forms expressions. 41. I got a new car last week. 42. She got a promotion at work. 43. They got their visas approved. 44. He got angry when he saw the mess. 45. We got tickets for the concert. 46. She got her degree last year. 47. I got an invitation to the wedding. 48. He got sick after eating bad food. 49. She got a call from her friend. 50. They got stuck in traffic. 51. I got a new pair of shoes. 52, he got a surprise gift. 53, she got the job she wanted. 54, they got the house renovated. 55, we got a new puppy. 56, I got a haircut yesterday. 57, she got interested in painting. 58, he got tired of waiting. 59, they got home late. 60, we got everything ready for the party using make, forcing causes. 61, I make my bed every morning. 62, she makes delicious cakes. 63, he makes a lot of money. 64, they make a big difference in society. 65, we make mistakes, but we learn. 66, I made a mistake in my calculations. 67, she made a cake for the party. 68, he made a decision to leave. 69, made a great team. 70, we made a lot of progress. 71, she made a beautiful painting. 72, he made a promise. 73, they made a list of things to do. 74, I made my parents proud. 75, he makes me laugh. 76, the teacher makes us study hard. 77, she makes good coffee. 78, this story makes no sense. 79, he was making a speech. 80, they were making a plan. Using have, possession, experience, obligation. 81, I have a pet dog. 82, she has a beautiful house. 83, he has a lot of work to do. 84, they have a great friendship. 85, we have enough time to finish this. 86, she had a dream about traveling. 87, he had a cold last week. 88, they had a meeting yesterday. 89, we had a lot of fun. 90, I had a headache. 91, she has had enough of this nonsense. 92, he has had a long day. 93, they have had their lunch. 94, we have had great experiences. 95, I will have my results soon. 96, she will have a new car next year. 97, he will have finished his work. 98, they will have completed their studies. 99, we will have reached by then. 100, I have to leave now. Using has. 100, 101, she has a beautiful smile. 102, he has an appointment at 5 p.m. 103, the dog has a collar. 104, she has long hair. 105, he has a lot of patience. Using had has possession experiences. I had a great time at the party. 107, 107, she had a meeting at noon. 108, he had a delicious meal. 109, they had a fantastic trip. 110, we had an interesting conversation. Using help, assistance, support. 111, can you help me with my homework? 112, she helps her mother in the kitchen. 113, he helps people in need. 114, they help each other. 115, we help the poor. 116, I helped my friend move to a new house. 17, she helped me understand math. 118, he helped his brother with his studies. 119, they helped a lost child. We helped fix the car. 121, she has helped me a lot. 122, he has helped many students. 23, they have helped their neighbors. 124, I have helped in organizing the event. 125, we have helped build the school. 26, she had helped me before I asked. 127, he had helped his mother before leaving. 128, they'd helped clean the house. 129, I will help you tomorrow. 130, she will help her friend. 31, he will help the community. 132, they will help the poor. 133, we will help in the project. He can help you solve the problem. 135, she might help later. 136, they should help their parents. 137, I must help my brother. 138, we could help if needed. 139, he would help if asked. 140, she is helping a friend. 141, they were helping in the kitchen. 142, I have been helping my parents. 43, he had been helping before leaving. 144, they will be helping tomorrow. 145, she must have helped them. 146, he may have helped in the project. 147, I should have helped you. 148, we could have helped more. 49, they would have helped if they had known. 150, she has been helping the elderly. Let me know if you need more. Here are 150 sentences using modifiers to help you write English more fluently. Modifiers include adjectives, adverbs, phrases, and clauses that describe or add details to a sentence. #1, adjective nouns. 1, the beautiful sunset painted the sky. 2. He is a brilliant student. 3. We visited a historical monument. 4. She has a soft voice. 5. The hungry cat meowed loudly. 6. He wore a black jacket. 7. She bought a round table. 8. The excited kids ran outside. 9. He gave me a valuable lesson. 10. They live in a spacious apartment. 11. The narrow road was difficult to drive on. 12. Her polite behavior impressed everyone. 13. He read an interesting book. 14. We walked through the dark forest. 15. She wore a colorful dress. 2. Adverb modifiers describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. 16. He speaks fluently. 17. She walked slowly across the street. 18. They arrived early for the meeting. And 19. He solved the problem quickly. 20. She smiled happily. 21. We drove carefully through the rain. 22. He answered the question correctly. 23. The baby cried loudly. She waited patiently for her turn. 25. He plays the guitar. 26. They spoke softly in the library. 27. She completed her task efficiently. 28. He walked confidently into the room. She danced gracefully. She danced fast and earnest 3 lead blast. Prepositional phrase. 31. The book on the table is mine. 32. She sat near the window. 33. The keys are inside the drawer. 34. We walked through the park. 35. He placed the flowers in the vase. 36. The letter came from my cousin. 37. The train to New York departs at noon. 38. They live by the river. 39. The car in front of us is moving slowly. 40. The cat slept under the bed. 41. The picture on the wall is beautiful. 42. He wrote a story about his childhood. 43. She is standing beside her friend. 44. The tourists explored the caves inside the mountains. 45. The teacher spoke with great enthusiasm. 4. Infinitive phrase modifiers. 46. He wants to learn English fluently. 47. She tried to solve the puzzle quickly. 48. We need to finish the project soon. They decided to move abroad. 50. He struggled to understand the lecture. 51. She came to help her friend. 52. He went to the store to buy some groceries. 53. She started to write a novel. 54. They are planning to visit Paris next summer. 55. He refused to accept the offer. 56. She worked hard to achieve her goals. 57. The company aims to expand internationally. 58. They tried to fix the broken machine. 59. He left early to catch the train. 60. She stayed late to complete the assignment. 5. Particle phrase modifiers. 61. Running late, she grabbed her bag and rushed out. 62. Excited about the trip, they packed their bags. 63. Feeling tired, he went to bed early. 64. Confused by the instructions, she asked for help. 65. Worried about the results, he checked his email frequently. 66. Looking for her phone, she searched the whole house. 67. Exhausted from work, he sat down to rest. 68. Smiling brightly, she greeted everyone. 69. Determined to win, he trained every day. 70. Frustrated by the delay, they called customer service. 71. Having completed the task, he took a break. 72. Eager to learn, she asked many questions. 73. Encouraged by his parents, he pursued his dreams. 74. Standing in the rain, she waited for the bus. 75. Surprised by the gift, she hugged her friend. 6. My friend, a talented musician, plays the piano beautifully. Her brother, a skilled chef, cooked a delicious meal. 78. The Eiffel Tower, a famous landmark, attracts millions of tourists. 79. My teacher, a kind and patient person, helped me a lot. 80. The book, a bestseller, was recommended by many readers. 81. His dog, a playful golden retriever, loves to run in the park. 82. The river, a major water source, flows through several countries. 83. Our neighbor, a retired army officer, tells great stories. 84. The car, a luxury sedan, costs a fortune. 85. The festival, a celebration of culture, takes place every year. 7. Absolute phrase modifiers. 86. His arms folded, he listened to the argument. 87. Her heart racing, she stepped onto the stage. 88. The wind blowing, they walked along the beach. 89. Her voice trembling, she delivered the speech. 90. His eyes fixed on the road, he drove carefully. 91, the sun setting, they enjoyed the view. 92, her hair flowing, she ran towards him. 93, his hands shaking, he opened the letter. 94, the baby crying, the mother picked him up. 95, the birds chirping, we woke up early. 8, adjective clause modifiers, the girl who won the competition is my cousin. 97, the book that I borrowed from the library is interesting. The house where he was born is now a museum. 99, the teacher who taught me English retired last year. 100, the movie that we watched last night was amazing. More examples, 150, 101. The boy with the blue hat is my brother. 102, she walked as fast as she could. 103, he whispered so that no one could hear him. They left before the storm started. 105, the cake tasted incredibly delicious. 106, the car was surprisingly expensive. 107, he ran as quickly as possible. 108, she painted the room in a bright color. 109, he arrived just in time. We met at the agreed location. 111, the sunset looked absolutely stunning. 112, the train was unusually crowded. 113, he drove more carefully than before. The event was extremely successful. 115, she spoke with great confidence. 116, the meeting ended earlier than expected. 117, they walked through the silent street. 118, the project was highly complex. 119, the music played softly in the background. The team performed better than last time. Would you like more practice sentences? Here are 150 example sentences using modifiers, categorized into different types. Knowing these will help you write fluently in English. 1. Adjective modifiers, describing nouns. 1. She has a beautiful voice. 2. He is a talented musician. 3. They live in a small house. 4. The delicious food made me happy. 5. She wore a bright red dress. 6. It was a difficult decision. 7. He bought an expensive car. 8. The weather is pleasant today. 9. We had a long conversation. 10. She adopted a cute little puppy. 11. His deep voice is attractive. 12. I love reading interesting books. 13. She has a friendly personality. 14. The movie was boring. 15. He made a wise choice. 16. I live in a peaceful neighborhood. 17. The shiny new bike belongs to her. 18. He has a strong build. 19. The dress looks elegant. 20. He has a charming smile. 2. Adverb modifiers describing verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. 21. She sings beautifully. 22. He speaks fluently. 23. The car moves slowly. 24. He ran quickly to catch the bus. 25. She solved the problem easily. 26. He speaks softly to his children. 27. They arrived early for the meeting. 28. She worked diligently on the project. 29. He smiled happily. 30. She walked gracefully into the room. 31. The train stopped suddenly. 32. He acted strangely. She answered the question correctly. 34. He plays the guitar wonderfully. She drives carefully. 36. The baby cried loudly. 37. He gently touched my shoulder. She looked nervously at the exam paper. 39. He is completely exhausted. 40. The team worked effectively together. 3. Intensifiers, strengthening or weakening meaning. 41. She is very intelligent. The movie was extremely boring. 3. He was too tired to continue. 44. She is so kind. 45. The weather is quite pleasant. 46. He is really tall. 47. I am absolutely sure. 48. She was pretty upset. 49. He is somewhat confused. 50. The task was fairly easy. 4. Degree modifiers expressing degree. 51. The water is boiling hot. 52. The test was moderately difficult. 53. It's partially broken. 54. He was entirely responsible. 55. She was completely lost. 56. The soup mildly spicy. 57. He was nearly asleep. 58. The task is almost done. 59. He is barely breathing. 60. It is utterly ridiculous. 5. Time modifiers indicating when. 61. She left yesterday. 62. I will meet you tomorrow. 63. He arrived early. 64. The meeting starts soon. 65. I saw her last week. 66. She called me this morning. 67. The train departs shortly. 68, he lived there for a long time. 69, we met a few days ago. 70, the store opens at 9 a.m. 6, place modifiers indicating where. 71, she looked everywhere. 72, he sat near the window. 70, they live in New York. 74, she placed the book on the table. 75, he ran towards the park. 76, the kids are playing outside. She waited at the bus stop. 78, the store is located downtown. 79, he is sitting beside her. 80, she looked upstairs. 7, frequency modifiers, how often? 81, she always wakes up early. 82, he usually eats breakfast at 7 a.m. 83, I sometimes go for a walk. 84, they rarely argue. 85, he never smokes. 86, she frequently visits her grandmother. 87, he occasionally calls me. 88, we hardly ever eat fast food. 89, she constantly checks her phone. 90, he seldom watches TV. 8, reason and purpose modifiers. 91, she left because she was tired. 92, he apologized since he was wrong. 93, they moved due to a job transfer. 94, she stayed home because of the rain. 95, he studies hard so that he can pass. 9, conditional modifiers. 96, if it rains, we will stay home. Unless you study, you will fail. 98, as long as you try, you can succeed. 99, if you hurry, you will catch the bus. 100, provided that you help, we can finish early. 10, quantity modifiers. 101, he ate a lot of food. 102, she has several books. 103, I have enough money. 104, there is too much noise here. 105, they have a few friends. 11, comparison modifiers. 106, she is taller than him. 107, this book is more interesting. 108, he is the best player. 109, the second task is less difficult. 110, this is the most exciting movie. 12, negative modifiers. 111, he is not happy. 112, she hardly speaks. 113, they never argue. He is barely able to walk. 115, the food is not very tasty. Emphasizing modifiers. 16, that was such a great experience. 17, she is truly an inspiration. 118, he was absolutely right. 119, I seriously need help. 120, it was a real pleasure meeting you. 14, opinion modifier. 121, this is a fantastic idea. 122, he is a horrible driver. 123, the food was delightful. 124, the book is worth reading. 125, the weather is amazing today. 15, certainty modifier 6, he is definitely coming. 127, she certainly deserves the prize. 128, I am surely going to win. 129, that was undoubtedly the best speech. 130, he probably forgot. 16, sensory modifiers. 131, the cake smells delicious. 132, the soup tastes amazing. 33, the fabric feels soft. 34, the music sounds beautiful. The sky looks stunning. 17, measurement modifiers. 36, the room is 5 meters wide. He is 6 feet tall. 138, the book is 300 pages long. 139, the journey was 2 hours long. 140, the bag weighs 10 kilograms. Emotion modifiers. 141, she is extremely happy. 142, he looks miserable. 143, they were deeply moved. 144, she felt slightly annoyed. 145, he seemed a bit nervous. Learning these modifiers will help you write fluently in English. Let me know if you need more. Here are 150 example sentences using modifiers, categorized into different types. Knowing these will help you write fluently in English. 1. Adjective modifiers, describing nouns. 1. She has a beautiful voice. 2. He is a talented musician. 3. They live in a small house. 4. The delicious food made me happy. 5. She wore a bright red dress. 6. It was a difficult decision. 7. He bought an expensive car. 8. The weather is pleasant today. 9. We had a long conversation. 10. She adopted a cute little puppy. 11. His deep voice is attractive. 12. I love reading interesting books. 13. She has a friendly personality. 14. The movie was boring. 15. He made a wise choice. 16. I live in a peaceful neighborhood. 17. The shiny new bike belongs to her. 18. He has a strong build. 19. The dress looks elegant. 20. He has a charming smile. Cha 2. Adverb modifiers describing verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. 21. She sings beautifully. 22. He speaks fluently. 23. The car moves slowly. 24. He ran quickly to catch the bus. 25. She solved the problem easily. 26. He speaks softly to his children. 27. They arrived early for the meeting. 28. She worked diligently on the project. 29. He smiled happily. 30. She walked gracefully into the room. 31. The train stopped suddenly. 32. He acted strangely. She answered the question correctly. 34. He plays the guitar wonderfully. She drives carefully. 36. The baby cried loudly. 37. He gently touched my shoulder. She looked nervously at the exam paper. 39. He is completely exhausted. 40. The team worked effectively together. Char 3. Intensifiers, strengthening or weakening meaning. 41. She is very intelligent. The movie was extremely boring. 3. He was too tired to continue. 44. She is so kind. 45. The weather is quite pleasant. 46. He is really tall. 47. I am absolutely sure. 48. She was pretty upset. 49. He is somewhat confused. 50. The task was fairly easy. 4. Degree modifiers expressing degree. 51. The water is boiling hot. 52. The test was moderately difficult. 53. It's partially broken. 54. He was entirely responsible. 55. She was completely lost. 56. The soup mildly spicy. 57. He was nearly asleep. 58. The task is almost done. 59. He is barely breathing. 60. It is utterly ridiculous. 5. Time modifiers indicating when. 61. She left yesterday. 62. I will meet you tomorrow. 63. He arrived early. 64. The meeting starts soon. 65. I saw her last week. 66. She called me this morning. 67. The train departs shortly. 68. He lived there for a long time. 69. We met a few days ago. 70. The store opens at 9 a.m. 6. Place modifiers indicating where. 71. She looked everywhere. 72. He sat near the window. 70. They live in New York. 74. She placed the book on the table. 75. He ran towards the park. 76. The kids are playing outside. She waited at the bus stop. 78. The store is located downtown. 79. He is sitting beside her. 80. She looked upstairs. 7. Frequency modifiers, how often? 81. She always wakes up early. 82. He usually eats breakfast at 7 a.m. 83. I sometimes go for a walk. 84. They rarely argue. 85. He never smokes. 86. She frequently visits her grandmother. 87. He occasionally calls me. 88. We hardly ever eat fast food. 89. She constantly checks her phone. 90. He seldom watches TV. 8. Reason and purpose modifiers. 91. She left because she was tired. 92. He apologized since he was wrong. 93. They moved due to a job transfer. 94. She stayed home because of the rain. 95. He studies hard so that he can pass. 9. Conditional modifiers. 96. If it rains, we will stay home. Unless you study, you will fail. 98. As long as you try, you can succeed. 99. If you hurry, you will catch the bus. 100. Provided that you help, we can finish early. 10. Quantity modifiers. 101. He ate a lot of food. 102. She has several books. 103. I have enough money. 104. There is too much noise here. 105. They have a few friends. 11. Comparison modifiers. 106. She is taller than him. 107. This book is more interesting. 108. He is the best player. 109. The second task is less difficult. 110. This is the most exciting movie. 12. Negative modifiers. 111. He is not happy. 112. She hardly speaks. 113. They never argue. He is barely able to walk. 115. The food is not very tasty. Emphasizing modifiers. 16. That was such a great experience. 17. She is truly an inspiration. 118. He was absolutely right. 119. I seriously need help. 120. It was a real pleasure meeting you. 14. Opinion modifier. 121. This is a fantastic idea. 122. He is a horrible driver. 123, the food was delightful. 124, the book is worth reading. 125, the weather is amazing today. 15, certainty modifier 6, he is definitely coming. 127, she certainly deserves the prize. 128, I am surely going to win. 129, that was undoubtedly the best speech. 130, he probably forgot. 16, sensory modifiers. 131, the cake smells delicious. 132, the soup tastes amazing. 33, the fabric feels soft. 34, the music sounds beautiful. The sky looks stunning. 17, measurement modifiers. 36, the room is 5 meters wide. He is 6 feet tall. 138, the book is 300 pages long. 139, the journey was 2 hours long. 140, the bag weighs 10 kilograms. Emotion modifiers. 141, she is extremely happy. 142, he looks miserable. 143, they were deeply moved. 144, she felt slightly annoyed. 145, he seemed a bit nervous. Learning these modifiers will help you write fluently in English. Let me know if you need more.